Yes, my peeps. I have to put on my mask for the jetty, you know, because guess what? Look behind me, a lot of crowd, you know. We're leaving here now, going to Port Royal. That is the only place we can go now, Port Royal. I don't have nowhere else to go. It's late now, and my second time I want to go Port Royal, so it's Port Royal I end up now. But you know, so my mask out. You can hear me properly. Yes, I have to be in the mask when you're around a lot of people. Alright guys, so we'll catch you on the spot, alright? So, fish on. Go through the ticket area. Gary, you know I change the water, yeah? I change the water. Okay, bit, put the bit in my just. Let's take time with them, you know, because I don't want. I'll put this on back quick. Morning. Yes, brother, morning. Well, some little jack a bite still, you know? Some little jack? Yeah. Take out, I did one out there. See me, take one. On top of it. So we have some of them going dead, some going to stay alive, but cut bait. Right now, cut bait we're going to use that for. So you know, I hit that, you know? Look good. So let's go, brother. Right to our destination. This water look good. Right, so the water look good enough. Water look good, but I don't know, catching up out here. You know, I'll make a try still here. So I'll set up everything and get back to you guys. So I'll see you come back. Alright guys, so I'm going to put on my live bait now, you know. Alright. I don't even know which one I'm going to catch, but I'm going to catch a live bait. Wow, that net here nice, see? I mean, that net here, you know. I use a bang. Alright guys, so this one, my first rod is out, guys. See there? My 50-pound Akuma Azure is out. So I don't know if I'm getting hook up. Hopefully I can get something in the morning here. Water look nice and calm and clean. No weed, I don't see no weed this morning. I don't see no weed this morning, so I'm missing it going on now. So this is the other rod, Black Beauty, with the Akuma helix on it. A nice rod, you know. Where you go? Kerry, put on the bait and come quick, man. Put on the other bait and carry the bucket, come. Alright, fish on, fish on. Set the hook, now, brother. Set the hook. You set it? Yo, brother, you're lucky, you know? What a brother, lucky, man. I can't believe this. Look, brother, lucky, you know? You're the luckiest man I ever see alive. Fish on, my brother. See him now? Ah, dude. Bring him in, my youth. Bring him in, bring him in. I bet he see like a snapper, though. Or a blue runner. Feel like a blue runner. Like a blue runner. Yeah? Bring him in, bring him in, bring him in. Make sure your settings are right, you know. Come. Oh! See my guys, blue runner. Nice blue runner, sir. Yeah man, see the man with the blue runner, nice size. Big up yourself brother, fish on. Yes man, see him there. Right out of Jamaican angler school him come from, you know. Pass all the exam. Alright guys, so see my rods out now, both of my rods out, this one and that one. So my time to get a run now. I hope I get a nice run too. Top on. Take a top on. Yeah, hold him. Bust off, pull off or bust off. A barracuda. Yeah, see that? A barrow. And look how long me have him, man. See teeth mark them on the line, yeah? Chow, man. I don't want to carry him up, you know. I want to carry. Alright guys, I lost that barracuda. It wasn't a top one, it was a barracuda. Because I see him reel up one time, I think it was a top one, but when I check the line now, I can see the teeth marks. It was a barracuda. I remember I don't use wires because barracudas or most of the fish them don't like wires, you know. So see there, that's it. Oh boy, it was a barracuda. Alright, so I'm going to put out another bait right now. This is the bang. Put on another bang and set him back out. So I just put on another bang and send him back out. And big toughy, you know. When I get them right, you know, I got one single right in it, you know. I don't want to hook up bad. And I'll get down over there. Take him out. Something just take this a while ago, you know. Fish on, fish on. Fish on. This is barely bent over, that's barely bent over, so. Fish on, brother, fish on. Come here. Come here. A jack, a snapper. Snapper? Like a snapper. A snapper this. A snapper. You don't care. Wait, hold him. Blow you. Snapper. Snapper. We get me snapper. Come here! Come here, Martin! Come here! Fish on, man, fish on. Alright guys, so this is it now guys. Here, beautiful snapper, see him there. Fish on my brother, mutton snapper. Let me put him on the measuring now. Alright, so take off the glasses, take off the phone. Alright, look at this snapper guys, look at this. The snapper passed the whole thing. This is about 12, 13, 18, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20 inches. Look at that snapper. About 20 inches snapper. Nice, beautiful snapper, alright? Put him in the ice box there. Mutton!
I think it's one that I reckon.
Yeah. Oh, brown sir. Catch a bigger one and that one I throw out sir. Alright guys, I just get my snapper a while ago, but the breeze coming up and thing. Alright, nice mutton snapper, about 20 inches. Alright, so mutton snapper. So I'm going to put out back another live stuff here again. Alright. Man, just about there. The water wet me up. So, yeah, so I put back out the rod guys, yeah? Snapper rod, same way. Alright guys, so I just put out a sprat on this one. Now see if the sprat make any difference, you know? Still going out there for something else, you know? I don't know what else out there. If another snapper is out there, or maybe a big jack, or you know? Well, most of what I like is the snapper or jack me I go find out because I don't want to tap on. So if I really tap on out there, I better stay out there. I don't want it. So I have a sprat out there, so I don't know if I'm go. Don't know where I'm going to sleep. I don't know if I'm not going to pick him up still, you know, but alright, so I put on a new bait on that, see if anything will pick him up. I still have a few, maybe another hour out here, then I'll leave, so let us see how it goes now, if I can hook up anything more. So, alright. Get out of here now, no. Come on. The breeze coming up and well, the water get rough, breeze too strong. And you know, I catch my snapper already this morning. But never the too bad I catch. I catch a snapper, my second catch a blue runner. And I don't even know if you can hear it because the breeze is so strong, you know. But I'm going to pack up now and leave here because the weed, see there? The weed coming up on the line, on both of the lines them, and you know it soon start getting knocked up and all like that. So, I'm going to leave out here now, alright? So you see where we clean up the snapper and stuff because I can't go and clean up on the snapper right now. I just do everything from the seaside, so when I go home, I just start the cooking. Alright? So we'll catch you at home. Fish on. See you now, peeps. Ready now, kitchen time. Alright, so we catch you in the kitchen. Alright, my peeps. Yeah, man, I couldn't get to cook the fish the same day when I catch it, you know. The snapper on the jack. So I gave away the jack the same day and I put up the snapper for today. So I'm gonna cook this fish later on, alright? But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season up this fish and put it in the fridge to marinate until later on I deal with it, alright? I have the garlic here. And I have the onion, the scallion and the thyme. Right? So I'm going to use all those seasoning. I'll put them together, mix it up in the fish, and then I'm going to put it to marinate in the fridge for a few hours, alright? So stay tuned, right? Alright guys, so here we go now. Fish is well seasoned, right? Seasoning soaking the fish and everything now. See there? Right? That is the snapper. And then I'll go ahead and cut up these vegetables here, right here. See, I have carrot and okra and onion and all kind of stuff in it. Pepper and garlic. Right? So there it is. Just can butter up the fry paper. I'm not using the packed butter because I don't like the packed butter. Packed butter don't taste good. I prefer this butter. It gives it a better flavor, you know, chiffon or this butter. Right? So use some nice butter it up. Some people say use anchor butter, but you don't know. Anchor butter, we can't find any anchor butter right now. We have to use what we have. Sprinkle. Put this on the paper right here. So just go and put everything in it tonight, everything. Okay? You can put this in the oven for about 25 minutes now because I see like how this thing is thick. For about alright guys, there it is. I'm going to wrap it up now and stuck it in the oven, alright? Alright guys, so there it is now. 20 minutes, no, 25 minutes, and that's the fish. Alright? What a nice mutton snapper, man. Oh my. Alright, so this is for me and mommy, alright? Look at this, guys. That. That is for me and mommy. Alright, yes, so here it is, guys. See there? Alright. So let me taste this now, huh? Yeah. Fish now, I want to have the fish. Well soaked. Can this, man? To the steam, bad. Whoa. Barbara. Mutton snapper gummy. Yes, man. Come on. This is mommy one now, so we'll bring it to her. Now some more fish in there, so. Anybody want any? You want some, send on your plate. Yeah, man, so. I'm tell them, man, mutton snapper, bad. Anyhow, guys, this is all I have for you now. Yeah, man. So if you like the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember to press the notification bell. Alright? Until then, we'll see you in the next one. Fish on.